In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book partial in Ctrader. If you've ever wanted to lock in some profit or reduce your risk without closing an entire trade, a partial close is exactly what you need. We'll walk through the process on Ctrader desktop, keeping it clear and simple, and I'll share a few tips so you know exactly what to expect as you go. Start by opening Ctrader desktop. Give the platform a moment to load your workspaces and market data, and make sure your connection is stable so prices and positions are up to date. If your charts look different from mine, that's fine. What matters is that you can access your trading panel. Now, head to the Trade tab and select Positions. The Trade tab is where Ctrader lists everything that's live on your account. Positions are your active trades, while orders are pending entries. We want positions so you can see the open trade you intend to partially close, along with its symbol, direction, and current volume. Find the position you want to manage and click the small gear icon next to it. This gear opens the action menu for that specific trade. If you're not seeing it right away, hover your mouse over the position line and it should appear. Take a second to confirm you're selecting the correct instrument and size before moving on. From the menu that opens, choose Close Position. This brings up the closing window for that trade. Don't worry, you're not forced to close the entire position just by opening this window. You'll be able to adjust the amount you want to close in the next step. In the volume field, enter the portion you want to close. Volume reflects your position size, typically shown in lots or units depending on your settings. For example, if your position is 1.3 lot and you want to close at 0.30, type 0.30. If you're using units, input the amount that matches the portion you intend to close. You cannot exceed the current position size, and you can leave any remainder running. Keep in mind that after a partial close, the remaining position usually keeps the same stop loss and take profit levels, so review those afterward and adjust if needed. When you're ready, click Close. Ctrader will execute that portion at the current market price, and you'll see a confirmation that the partial volume has been closed. The positions list will update to show the reduced size, and your realized profit or loss for the closed part will appear in your account history. That's it. Simple, fast, and effective. For best results, practice on a demo first. Double check your volume before confirming, and remember that execution is subject to market conditions.